In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, click on the best option for you that you wish to apply. In my case, High. So when I click on it and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my HONOR has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!